So choose the multivitamin that suits your changing
Bye,
needs.
guys.
At age 50, take
Okay.
Centrum Silver Advance.
Okay.
It has additional nutrients and an age-adjusted formula to
Yeah,
help
guys.
give you heart health,
Okay.
healthy eyes, and so much more. Take Centrum Silver Advance, the age-adjusted multivitamin. Alam ko,
Guys.
hindi mo pa rin kaya sabihin sa akin na mahal mo ako. Pero, hindi ko naman hihilingin sa'yo yan eh. Kaya alam ko, darating ang panahon